Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and look who I have today. He is back. Yeah, we are just out here in the streets grocery shopping. We just left Sam's and now we are at Jovi's Smart Shop.
Grocery shopping for the first time since the end of Dalaska.
Right.
I think they were going to storm again and all the other things they were calling.
Snowpocalypse.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we couldn't get out of our driveway for, even after everything melted, we couldn't get out of our driveway until what, yesterday?
Right.
Yesterday was like the first, and that's like a whole week and a couple of days later. Everybody else getting out of their driveways except us because of the way our house is set up. So we know if we ever buy another house,
which we are hopefully
we, because that's my dream. We're in our dream house, so hopefully we shouldn't have to.
And we are past the age where yet another 30-year mortgage sounds like a good idea.
We'll be dead and gone before that house get paid for. But yeah, if we ever move to another house, we know to ask about the driveway and the direction the house is facing.
You gotta ask, like, you see the wrong driveway, like, nope. On to the next one.
Y'all, we didn't know anything about a J-swing driveway, which I've seen them.
We ain't had that when I was growing. Somebody probably did. I didn't.
I've seen them, but I didn't really know the difficulty of getting out of those things. So
we had a trailer. I guess you could say. You really didn't have a driveway per se.
Yeah, I probably had like a dirt road or something.
Something like that. Yeah. And definitely not a J-swing. I know it was. I think we called it the Z. I forgot what letter it was.
Oh, ain't no telling. But yeah, we about to run inside of Jovi's. My budget is $65. Now, will I stay within that budget? We are about to find out. And it is crunk in here, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film anything because this parking lot is ridiculous. So we're gonna head inside and we will be right back. We are back, y'all, and like I said, it is crunk in that store. Just ridiculous. We were down this aisle with the bananas, and there was this little kid in a wheelchair, and his family, was trying to push him along. This other guy just came out of nowhere, seeing the little boy in the wheelchair, and just plowed his way through, getting in front of everybody. I'm like, you see this kid in this wheelchair? I almost turned into my dad right there, y'all. And if y'all don't know what that means my dad was like, he made an art out of cussing. I wanted to cuss that man out so bad.
You don't.
I don't even cuss, but I wanted to so bad.
Well, gosh darn it. That was not appropriate.
Right? Have you ever heard me say a cuss word?
No.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever. Yeah. Once I said that one cuss word when I was like 6 years old, I never said it again.
Traumatic experience.
Very traumatic. My whole mouth fell off, so yeah, had to put it back on. And I didn't say that word ever again.
I bet not. They do the Christmas story, wash your mouth up with soap.
She tore my mouth up with that switch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was traumatic. So traumatic I ain't say it ever again.
I bet not.
But yeah, we just got out of there and I think we spent like what, 72? My budget was like 65 and I think we spent like 72 because
what do we gotta put back?
I know, I wanted to put that sugar back, y'all.
Not the sugar.
The sugar on the website says it's $2.77.
Put the vegetables back, but not the sugar.
No, we gotta put the sugar back. And he found some, what are those things called?
Oh, I don't even know.
Oh, it's like some rolls or something, baguettes or something. Was it a baguette?
No, baguette is the.
Oh, yeah. He found some type of roll, and it's 8 for $1. I didn't get them because I didn't know what to make with it, but we might go back and get it at some point. We're not getting it today because we need other stuff to go with it. We could probably turn it to like meatball subs or Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I mean, it's built like a sub roll, and they were 8 for $1. And I should have got it, but I didn't. It wasn't on the grocery list. I only grabbed like a few things that were not on the grocery list.
Oh, I was gonna say this candy.
That candy was not on the grocery list, but somebody wanted some Reese's.
No, you specifically.
Yeah, somebody wanted some Reese's.
You specifically told me to get those.
I included my gum. Y'all, this is my grocery
Oh
list.
wow! So okay.
Yeah, I budgeted
so
for my
your
gum.
candy was on the grocery list. My
Yes.
candy was not on the list.
It was not on there. I got everything on the list except for that better than bouillon that I couldn't find, and I ain't feel like
this is a CON
digging for it. It sure is not. Yeah, so we got everything on the list, so we're good. But this is getting even more ridiculous the longer we sit here, y'all. It's just crazy. Like, I tried to get here at 7 o'clock because that's when they open. That's the best time to come because you can go and shop in peace. You don't have to worry about bumping into anybody. Just go in, get what you want, and check out. The checkout line wasn't so bad, was it?
No, not as bad as it looked from this parking lot.
I know. That parking lot is like, it's crunking.
Some of them are still shopping, so they haven't got to the checkout part yet.
And it's not like people are in there buying like 2 and 3 items. They got like loads and loads of food.
Yeah, because nobody's been outside for a week. Hey. You come out and be shopping hungry because you've been door dashing and
doing all the things. Yeah, we had to order groceries. When was that? Thursday? Yeah, we made it all the way until Thursday because we still couldn't get out of our driveway Thursday. So we had to order groceries because the kids are at home and they eating up everything.
The kids, I wouldn't.
And yeah, all y'all eating up everything. They were not being demure.
I have been I've been eating diet air. And
they all, including him, been eating all the things.
Some lettuce wraps. I think I had some lettuce wraps.
And the dog. Everybody eating all the food. Just we had to order groceries. And with the kids being at home, they are drinking coffee left and right. And they drank up all of the half and half, y'all. We done been through how many gallons? Like 2 gallons of half and half. And we are officially out of half and half today. So that's the main reason why I had to get out. I was not, I can't miss a day without coffee. So
go ahead and start the week without coffee. It's fine.
I can't do it. Gotta have it. And hopefully, well, they don't even go back to school until what, Tuesday? Yeah. So they'll be home again tomorrow, drinking all the coffee. We're going to have to figure some things out. We're going to have to find a backup option. They're going to have to start putting milk in their coffee. But yeah, trying to make the groceries. Y'all saw the little groceries that we bought that Friday. Those are the little groceries that we could find. And I usually have like spaghetti and red beans and rice, little stuff like that frozen in the freezer. But
yeah, we went through all the packages and the backups, all the.
They went through everything. I mean, because that hamburger helper had been in there for a minute. They blew through all of that. So
when you can't get out.
I know, you can't get out, you eat everything. I mean, we started eating stuff that didn't even go together. That's how long we were stuck in that house. And everybody else everybody else was able to get out of their driveway except us. We had to shovel the ice off of our driveway. And it took 2 days of shoveling before we could even make a dent in the ice. So today is like literally our first day out since being frozen in. Which I'm not complaining because I do have a coworker who is still without electricity.
Right.
So I'm not complaining at all.
We've been on that journey, so we know it could always be worse.
It could be worse. And I hope her electricity get turned back on soon. Because it's going on almost a week and a half. Well, it is going on a week and a half without power. Y'all, I don't know what this security guard is doing in front of us, but
securing.
He is not secure in this parking lot.
He's securing that shopping cart right there.
He sure is. That's all he doing.
Look it.
He on his phone. He's supposed to be protecting the people going inside of Jovi's.
There's a suspicious shopping cart.
He's sitting right there on his phone.
He is checking it out.
He is not.
He is in communication with the federal government about this suspicious shopping cart in the parking lot, as he should be. If you see something about a shopping cart, say something about a shopping cart. That's what
is that what you heard?
Yes, that's what I saw on America's Most Wanted shopping carts the other day.
It got a car battery on it. They don't sell car batteries at Joe V's.
I'm telling you something's going on over there. You making fun of the man. He could be protecting us from some kind of
a whole car battery inside this shopping cart.
That's what I'm saying. Now I'm curious. I hope we don't see anything on the news, because
that's not normal.
I mean, I guess for Dallas, maybe it is. I don't know.
He is driving that battery inside of Joe V's. I don't know what he gonna do with it. I guess, I don't know. That's something.
Hey, see if it's still, if it got some charge to it, put it to use.
That thing is so tiny. I don't know who car I don't know what kind of car you can put that in. It's so small.
It must have been in somebody's car.
I mean, it's parking lot is filling up by the minute, by the second. Should we go somewhere after this? No, we should. I actually cooked breakfast because I knew we were going to be out here in these streets, and I knew we had to.
And you don't want to go.
Yeah, you don't want to go shopping on an empty stomach. So
especially
I knew we had
the first shopping trip after a week. You'll be need 3 of these, 4 of these.
Yeah, because usually when I go shopping, I take my middle son with me, and we always end up at somebody's drive-through because I don't cook before we leave the house. But this time I got up at 6 o'clock and cooked, so everybody should be good and full. I told my daughter to get that coffee started, so when I get home with this half and half, I can go and make my coffee, and hopefully they don't drink it up. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is in the next video, I'll show y'all everything that we bought. I'll include prices. I'll include the Sam's haul, because we got a few things out of Sam's, like stuff that we actually needed. And hopefully we shouldn't have to go back to Sam's until March, I'm hoping. Guess we'll find out. But yeah, we finna head back to the house, unload these groceries, and relax. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.